to bid or not to bid in competitive auctions. And that's what I just mentioned. You don't use the law of total tricks when you know you have game values or you know you have slam values. Okay, and I get that confusion a lot. Okay, so big idea number one, we're going to have a lot of big ideas in this workshop, but big idea number one is it's for application in competitive auctions, which doesn't mean duplicate auctions. It means both sides are bidding. Okay, that's when you bring into the idea of the law of total tricks, right? The number of trumps equals the number of tricks. So the premise of the law is that there are only so many tricks available on an individual deal. And we're going to be looking at hands today where we're going to be counting the trump and counting the tricks. And for the most part, they're going to equal out on each other. So the total number of tricks in a hand is equal to the total number of trumps in the hand. And that's not just for one side. We're talking both sides. And that's why we're going to sit all four people to a table in our shark bridge time together, because both sides are going to be competing and trying to figure out how many trumps does our side have, how many trumps does their side have. That means we can take this many tricks and that means they can take this many tricks. Well, then what does that mean, right? Well, that's how we decide. Do we leave them alone at the 2 level? Do we take the push to the 3 level? Do we leave them alone at the 3 level? Do we take the push to the 4 level, and so on and so forth? So on most bridge hands, and that's a key word there, most bridge hands, the total number of tricks will be approximately equal to the total number of trumps. Like any law, there are exceptions to that rule, and we're going to look at some adjustments in our hands that we play today as well. Soft defensive tricks versus pure trick-taking holdings, right? And that's what's going to skew the number of tricks the hand actually takes or doesn't take. So we'll have some adjustments to the law as we work through.